They are some other passengers by calling the transit authority by the next stop. The diligent work of NYPD or the subway police. They could have been there to address the situation, and that's what happened after some discussion, not by me, but discussion towards me after asking, hey, what stop do I get off to? Is this stop the one that's going to... So I was looked at. It was more like an aha moment, showing on the face of the person that was already behaving so bipolar. And by the next stop, and all the while he was addressing me and I'm looking at him, I'm thinking, wow, this guy could be crushed without even knowing it. He's in my face, staring at me, and he looks at my hat. I had a big skull cap on. And of course he's loud and he's just inches from me. Oh wow, you have a big head. Look at your head. You have a big head. Everybody else is cool as cucumber. And that's what people do in New York. It's surprisingly so. I mean, I question, how can you just sit there and not give somebody $1 looking for a customer to buy water? And I did that days before this event. But they're very cool and calm and collected. So for the subway strangler to murder someone less aggressive than the person I was confronted with, that person who, while in my face, I didn't even say anything back to because I knew he had a mental issue. Everybody on the train knew to some degree, a measure, that they were in the company of somebody on the edge of sanity. So with empathy, compassion, and understanding,